skate. Let's go get it. We're gonna go take the electric skateboards to Laguna, ride the old fire road. Oh yeah, time to ride some Evolve skateboards. Two for two.
I ran out of talent right there. I was trying to chase you and went on a thorn bush collection.
Let's see the back. Let's see the backside. Oh. Today we're gonna go down to Carlsbad, California, check out the Evolve Skateboard warehouse, and I'm gonna pick up my brand new Evolve skateboard. They just came out with a new and improved line of skateboards. I can't wait to check this thing out, and we're gonna go get a brand new board, unbox it, show you what's inside, and then go take that thing for a ride. So let's get down there and let's go check out the warehouse. I'm super stoked. No way, dude.
Yeah, so I hooked you up with some swag, but the new board is going to be called the GTR. We hooked you up with the Bamboo series.
Of course.
I know you like that flex on the board. It does come in a carbon version as well.
Yeah.
But for you, hooked you up with the GTR Bamboo.
I like the Bamboo, yeah. Did you guys put those camo wheels on it?
Did.
Oh, we got a little surprise for you guys. I did get to choose my wheels, which is a new option on the new boards, right?
Yeah. So all the new boards, they get to be customized. You can build your board to exactly how you want it to look.
Heck
so it's
yeah.
gonna be sick.
I'm excited about that, dude. Cool, man. Well,
sick.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you like it, man.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we've ridden the old boards. We've got some sick footage on those. We went to Evolve Warehouse. We've picked up this beautiful GTR box, and now, without further ado, let's break into that sucker and see what's inside. All right. Woo! So we have the Bamboo. This is the Bamboo GTR. Also comes in carbon fiber. I like the Bamboo. This is what I ordered, custom ordered with because I like the flex. I liked how that feels. If you're a bigger guy, a little heavier, you might want to go with the carbon because it's a lot stiffer. There's no flex. And some people just prefer, even if you're not a bigger guy, some people just prefer the stiffer feel of the board, which is totally fine. Pretty cool little box here. Basically has a little legend that tells you everything that it comes with. A little diagram of the board. Yeah, I mean, we don't have to really run through everything, but battery, motor controller, tells you where the on and off switch is. There's also a couple new functions in this new GTR that will also tell you where those things are, specifically the USB ports, but we'll go into that a little bit later. Let's take this board out of the box. And your board is gonna arrive, I think when you order the board, it's gonna arrive to your house in like a cardboard box with this inside of it. A board condom, as they would say. So, this is the board. Let's check it out. This thing's freaking sweet. So, basically Evolve completely revamped their entire board from inside out. All the electronics are different. The battery's different. There's a better quality battery, Samsung battery, upgraded. The coolest thing about this new battery is that you're gonna basically get 100% power up until the board goes to 0%, and that's pretty awesome. So if you go uphill, if you've been on the old Evolves, you know that going uphill, you'll notice your battery start draining as you're going uphill, up a steep hill. This board is gonna give you an authentic battery percentage reading as you're going uphill, and you're gonna get 100% power up until you read 0% on your remote. I'm gonna take this plastic coating off the board so we can really check this thing out. Although my grandma would probably leave this on the board, if you know what I'm saying. Anyways, so peel this plastic coating off, check her out. A couple new functions also is they have these, the motors can be unplugged basically. So if you do have a motor issue, or maybe you ended up riding in a puddle and your motor went out, they're really easy to interchange yourself. I think that's why they did that. I've never had any motors go bad on my old boards, but I guess if it did, there's a way to change it out. Another really cool thing that Evolve did this year is the battery is interchangeable. So they have a small battery that you can get that is TSA approved, so you can carry this thing on the plane and travel with it, which is a huge step in the right direction. I'm super stoked, especially for me when I'm traveling to all these cool places. I'm always wishing I had my Evolve skateboard, and now I can finally bring it. These boards are fully customizable. As far as wheels, there's a few different options for tire color, and then also the hub color or the wheel color. I went with that snow camo hub color, which I think is super sick on the black wheel or tire. They have 2 USB ports right here, and these are there because they have a couple new accessories that you can attach to your board, such as LED strips. So you could put the LED strips on the board and just connect them to the USB. I was told that it will charge your phone. I'm not sure how fast. I haven't personally tested that yet, but I think you could probably charge your phone with this too. Let's see what else we have in the box. Looks like looks like Alex threw some socks in there. Can't promise you that yours is gonna come with socks. One cool thing that the new setup comes with, it comes with this case. It's an accessory case, which I think is super rad, especially when you're traveling and you know, you don't have to just throw your remotes in the helmet anymore like I do. You just have this case that it comes with. We'll open it up and see what's inside. We got the charger. Boom. Another cable for the charger, so 2 cables for the charger. We got the tool right here. This is your tool to loosen, tighten the trucks, take off the wheels, pretty much everything you need. You could probably even do a belt changing with this, it looks like. And then we have the remote. A lot of customizable options on these boards. Wheel color, hub color, and you also get to customize your remote color. So they have some different remote color options. I went with this crazy little orange color, and these remotes are totally revamped. They feel really solid. They're a little heavier. They have a nice matted finish. They just feel really good in your hand. And like I said before, Evolve basically didn't include any of the same components of their old boards. Like the entire board from start to finish, even the remotes, is totally different and totally upgraded. So this is like basically completely upgraded parts from the old boards. The new boards instantly sync up, so there's no wait time on syncing your board. So as soon as I turn this on and I turn this remote on, you're gonna notice that this thing syncs up right away. So I'm gonna turn the board on right now. I'm gonna turn the remote on right now. Boom, already synced up. If you guys had an Evolve before, you notice it usually took about, you know, 15 to 20 seconds to sync up, sometimes even a little more. But this thing's already synced up, ready to go. Obviously straight out of the box, so it only has 36% battery. We're definitely going to put this thing on the charger before we take it on a test run, so we can get a full comparison of distance, speed, and power and everything like that. Super stoked on this thing connecting so quickly. It's going to shave off valuable riding time that you cannot afford to be losing waiting for your board to sync up, okay? So yeah, so we got the remote case, the same remote case as always. We got the charger here. Let me put the charger back in here. We got this little tool. Let's get the tool here. Let me put that right there. And looks like there's some stuff right here. I'm not sure what this is. Let's check this out. We have some stickers that Evolve includes in these packages. Okay. So, not sure what these, oh, I think these might be part of like for carrying this case actually. So I think this is like maybe a carrying handle of some sort. And we got some stickers. This is the GTR. This board is called the GTR. So we got GTR stickers. So if you see this on the back of somebody's car, you know what's up, baby. You know what's up. They'd rather be riding an Evolve skateboard. We got the box that it comes in. We got the case with all the accessories and tools. We got the board itself. This thing's super solid. It's got that classic bamboo look if you chose the bamboo, which I did. The trucks are way more solid. The battery, like I said, it's interchangeable. Comes right off. You can swap it with a smaller battery if you want to purchase one. Motors look a little bit more sealed up, probably a little bit more water resistant than they were before, it looks like. USB ports, get some accessories, put some lights on the bottom of that thing. Instant syncability with the remote. Let's throw her on GT. Oh, so it's now GTR mode, it's not GT mode anymore. Yeah, it seems like it's a little bit higher, which actually feels kind of cool, to be honest with you. Kind of feel like you're more, definitely going to tighten these trucks up a little bit. I like my trucks loose, but that's a little too loose. Go put this thing on the charger. Probably take a couple hours and go rip it around the neighborhood and try it out. Love this board though. Overall, final consensus is this thing feels super solid. Everything feels definitely upgraded. Looks very tightened up, very sealed up. The remote feels great, the board feels great. This board looks great. Love those snow camo wheels. I think from what I've heard, we're gonna get more power from that battery. We're gonna get more speed, more torque, more acceleration basically. And like I said, everything on this board is completely upgraded, and Evolve really stepped it up and basically made the most high performance electric skateboard you could possibly get in the market right now. So you get what you pay for, and for this board you can't beat it.